Hey guys, Peter here. Just want to show you how to install the SimHub plugin with our software. So first thing you want to do is just ensure that you have the correct version or the latest version of our software that has the SimHub option. So here, for example, if you click on updates on the left side, you'll see we're on the latest beta, which as you can see supports SimHub. In the future, this will be an official release, so just ensure in the notes here it says that SimHub is supported, which it should be. But yes, once you have the latest version installed here, you can click on dash or even the motion here, and you can see SimHub in the menu. So you do want to choose SimHub right there. I like staying in the dash because you can actually see it here that it actually detected and installed the plugin. If you click on game settings here, you'll have more information here of what you should do to enable this within the SimHub software. So let's open up SimHub now. So that is open, and as you can see, we are getting exactly like the instruction says. We're getting this pop-up that comes up, just basically saying that there's a new plugin detected. So we're going to enable that on the right side here. And if we do want to show it on the left menu here, we can select that as well and click on OK. It relaunches the SimHub interface. And if I just put it down here, you'll see that we have Sigma motion here at the bottom. The more important thing, I guess, is you have to make sure that the SimHub version is licensed, as you see here. So this allows the 60 hertz versus the 10 hertz of telemetry stream. In order to get a license, you simply just go to simhub-.com, and then here just click on get a license. And as the time of this recording, you can see it's as low as €8 or about $10 US, up to $30, $35 US. We obviously like to always give a bit more than is suggested here, especially for great projects like this that support the sim racing and sim flight and simulation community in general. So that's pretty much it. Any questions, do give us a shout. We're available through Discord, through email, through web chat, but it's fairly straightforward. If you do have any issues, just do the standard procedure, restart the computer if need be, restart Windows, restart our application, and just start all over again if need be. Additionally, if any of the settings to the game that you're going to launch through SimHub, so once the SimHub is selected here, the game you're basically going to choose within SimHub itself, whatever it is. In this case, it's Dirt Rally 2.0. But any of the settings for that game are going to be adjusted here within our Sigma software. All right, so that's it. Again, let us know if you have any issues. We're available on Discord, email, phone, or through our web chat. All right, thanks, guys. Ciao.